Have you ever heard of the Great Emu War? Imagine a battleground where the enemy is not human but thousands of flightless birds. In 1932, Australia faced an unprecedented crisis when 20,000 emus invaded farmlands in Western Australia, ravaging crops and causing chaos. The government, in a desperate bid to curb the avian onslaught, deployed soldiers armed with machine guns. What ensued was a bizarre and almost comical confrontation, as the emus proved to be cunning adversaries, evading bullets with surprising agility. Despite the military's best efforts, the emus emerged victorious, leading to widespread media mockery and a realization of nature's unpredictable power. This peculiar chapter in history remains a testament to the unexpected challenges humanity can face, even from the most unassuming of foes.